Hello everybody and welcome to our new tutorial today. We end up in the last tutorial to make a deviation survey or well planning using Petrel in advanced mode, which is vertical well or curve or hold the curve or S shape or whatever. Now let's go back to the first tutorial. If you remember, we already digitized these contours using NeuraMap software, and now we need to digitize the fault polygon. I already digitized it before capturing this video. But I will show you how to do this in NeuraMap software. Just add and choose fault polygon and click OK, and just try to digitize the closed fault. Then name this fault whatever. If I already named it by F1. Then file, just click file, export vector, and choose fault polygon. Then export. You will see the file already exported. Go to for Petrel, right click and import file, general line of course, and point to Geologic fault. This one created from NeuraMap software, and then click open. The software, as usual, will ask you the content of the imported file. This one x value, which is column number 1, y value column number 2, z value, which is the name of the fault, which is in column number 4. And click OK for all. No need to negate the value because we will work on these values of the fault later on. Then click OK. You see the fault already displayed here, fault polygon already displayed here. Because we open or see this content in the 2D view window, but if you go for 3D, you will see the fault is away from the horizon, like this, which is not correct. Now we need to, because the Petrel still didn't recognize this is a fault, because we imported this as a polygon. We need to tell Petrel this is a fault attached to this surface. Let's do it together. Right click on the imported fault and setting, click on calculation and point to the surface, which is our Geocheical surface already created in the second tutorial in this series, and point to here and choose z equal a. You see the fault already dropped immediately to the surface. Now you have a fantastic fault with zero clearance between fault and horizon. I already created another horizon. Looks like it's phantom or image from this, but little bit difference. I name it bottom, import file, and Geologic at bottom. I already imported, and I worked on it because I don't need to repeat these steps because already described in the tutorial number 2 on how to create surface. Already create this surface created. Next tutorial we will show you how to deal with the main fault attached to both surface using structural framework from here. Now we have finally in this tutorial two surfaces and two polygons, one fault. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day.